So here I present to you my 8085 project. It is a semiconductor curve tracer. This project is aimed to build a solution to help get over the tedious job of plotting the characteristic curves of semiconductor devices. This entire device functions on two power sources. One, a 12 volt DC adapter. Second, I connect it to my PC to get 5 volt and to transfer the data to my system. So the board on the top is the analog front end containing all the components that is needed to load the device under test. The board at the bottom is the board containing the digital chips, the 8085, the RAM, the ROM and the other latches. So now let's start and see how the entire device functions. Now the first and the foremost step is connecting the device under test. Here we have the slots for connecting our DUT. The two slots here are connecting the two-terminal device, that is our LEDs, our Zener diodes and other two-terminal device. The 5 slots out here help us to connect the three-terminal device for getting the characteristic curves. The slots are as follows: base, followed by emitter slot, then collector, then base and emitter, so that any kind of combination can be tested. Here I present a simple three-terminal device, the transistor 2N2222. Knowing the collector, base and emitter in right order, I place this device. So now this device is placed as per the collector, base and emitter legs. Now we have to move on to the PC so that we can initiate the loading process. The front end of this system is developed using a Python script. The script out here runs to give a user-friendly front end. As soon as I run my script, I see a window popped up. This window contains two fields. One, you need to name the device under test, and second, you need to provide the number of terminals of the DUT. Now, I move my cursor here. I enter the device name. My device is transistor 2N2222. It is a three-terminal device. The start button out here will help me initiate the process. As soon as I click on the start button, I get a message confirming the details that a 2N2222, a three-terminal device, is under load test. As soon as I click on the OK button, my device starts to load. It takes merely 15 seconds for the entire of the device to get loaded with various voltages and various base currents. The result of this loading process will be a plot that will help you understand the characteristics of the device. As you can see, the plot out here is nothing but the characteristics of the three-terminal transistor. This has been plotted at various of the base currents predetermined by the circuit. Not only this, one more added feature is that the device automatically saves the entire of the curves in a pre-located fashion. As you can see, various of the curves out here have been pre-stored. The currently loaded device and its curve has been already stored in the folder as soon as you plot it. Thus, this is a very cheap and effective solution for plotting semiconductor curves.